Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Master and Dynamic MW08 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one would be troubleshooting. If the earbuds are no longer paired to each other, like you're only getting sound out of the left ear or out of the right ear, or if they keep disconnecting, they're not pairing with your device or connecting with your device, any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Also, if you just want to get these things totally cleared out and have them like they were brand new earbuds, we can go ahead and do that via this procedure. So what we're going to do is with our earbuds in the case, we are going to do this one by one. We're going to take the left earbud out first, leaving the right earbud in the case. And on the left earbud, we are going to then press the volume up button on it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the 6th time, we're going to hold it. And we're going to hold it until we hear the earbud say, factory reset. At which point we can set it down, but don't put it back in the box, and then take out the right earbud. And on the right earbud, we're going to find the main button on the back, and we are going to press it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the 6th time, we're going to hold it. And we're going to hold it until we hear it say factory reset. At which point we can let go, and we can set it down next to the left earbud and give them a few seconds, and they should pair with each other and be reset as new earbuds.